Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today on the American Express green card. Now I will have to say this card is underrated when it comes to American Express. I don't know why. It has a lot of great rewards when it comes to this card. Now I'm gonna let you know now. If you consider even applying for this card, they will be looking at experience, so please don't have a lock or a freeze. You can do a pre-approval, and if you already have a previous Amex credit card, you could get this with no hard inquiry on your credit report, which is really good. And again, you could gain that 40,000 reward membership points long as you spend $3,000 in the first 6 months, which should be really easy. You out there paying groceries, light bill, gas bill, car insurance. Go ahead and get those, again, those reward points, which equals out to about 1.6 to 2 cents for every point, which is really good. You could do the math, you could break that down, but it's roughly about $240, even up to $800 rewards that you're going to get back, depending how you're going to use this again. So this is really good. Now this has a $150 annual fee. When I did a review on this card years ago, probably about 4 or 5 years ago, it was way lower than that. But this card has great rewards. You're getting 3x point across the board, people, as you see, on travels, hotel, campground, rentals, cruises, doesn't matter. You're going to get 3x points on transit, trains, buses, ferries, subways, Lyft, Uber. You're going to get that 3x point, and you're going to get that 3x point for dining and restaurants, which is really good, people. So again, you could really take advantage of this card. I don't know why it's so underrated. You're going to get that $209 clear for all those that's traveling. You want to skip that line, go ahead. You're going to have that credit, no foreign transaction. And again, I always tell you with these cards, look, people, the send and split, take advantage of this. Go ahead, download it. And again, if you want to transfer money from this card to somebody you might know, wife, brother, son, whatever it may be, you could Venmo it and go ahead and take advantage. I always tell you, man, I always tell you how to liquidate these cards. But again, once Amex added this, it made it so simple. Download it. Again, request money from the card, send it to somebody that got a Venmo. You already just liquidated some money off a card, which is really easy, I will have to say. And the good thing about this card, I will have to say, they got the pay over time. So again, if you can't pay it all, because we all know this is a charge card, if you can't pay it in the 30 days, you could do the pay over time. Everybody's going to be different. They'll do the pay over time between 1 and 3 months. Some people is 3 to 9 months, even seen up to 2 years. But everybody's situation is going to be different. You're going to pay that minimal, and then you keep it moving again. So again, the green card is pretty much a basic card, but it can really get you in the door, and you can really gain some reward points. And again, if you already got a previous credit card with them, why not go ahead and do it? Take advantage. People always get overwhelmed of that $150 annual fee, which is really good. I tell you, they're giving you all these rewards. This card pays for itself at the end of the day. So go ahead and take advantage of it, man, and tell me what you think. I know I did the last video. A lot of people was really liking it and stuff like that. And it was like, hey, they sent me an email, said, hey, the last time you did a video on the green card was years ago. Can you break it down? It's a good card to get. It's really underrated, but it is actually a good card if you know how to use these cards, man. So take advantage of it. And if you want to apply for this card, you scroll right down here. You're going to hit this link right here. It's going to take you to the pre-approval. Again, if you're approved for this card with no impact to your credit score, which is really good. Put your name, middle name, last name. Again, what's the card on it? Your date of birth, email, address, and again, the most important thing, yes, you have your social security, people. They got to verify who you are, people. Let's make that clear. And your annual income. I've been very stressing through all my Amex videos, what you actually make, please put that down. If you make 60,000, please put 60,000. Don't be putting 150,000, because you will be blacklisted. And if you have any previous credit cards with them, you will be out of them. So let's go over to the website, just in case you got a question you want to ask me, or you got some requests for a video or anything like that. You can scroll down on my main page, send me an email. Again, I always tell people, give me a couple hours and I will get right back to you. So again, if you're starting off or you're looking for a credit card company that you could really take advantage of, Amex, everybody should be using Amex. Everybody should have their credit cards. They should be having business credit cards. Amex have their own business line of credit. Come on, people. Like, why aren't y'all taking advantage of all the products they got here? And you already know, once you already in the family, guess what? You could get all these products with no hard inquiries, which is really good. And again, start building your business side and start getting these different credit cards. I always tell you, I love American Express. Why? Because they're very lenient. So let's say you have a new LLC. It might not have a lot of age on it. They can approve you with a business line of credit with no hard inquiry, man. So again, man, get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.